In the family plot square foot garden, we're growing some fall Irish potatoes. I planted them a couple weeks ago. They've come up and it's now time to hill them. It's important to hill potatoes because the tubers will grow inside the hill that you make around the potatoes. You want to hill them a couple times. Our potatoes here are probably about 4 inches tall. So all I'm going to do is just kind of cover them up, push the dirt around them. There, now the potatoes are hilled. They're going to grow back through the dirt I just put on, and in another week or so I'll have to hill them again. But once they're up, I don't know, about 10-inch, 12-inch hill, that's enough, and they can just continue to grow at that point.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.